In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find and add friends on Zangi Messenger. By the end, you'll know how to see which of your contacts are already on Zangi, how to invite people who aren't, and how to add someone directly if you have their Zangi number. Start by opening the Zangi app and heading to the Contacts tab. This is where all the magic happens. If your phone contacts are synced with Zangi, the app will automatically highlight which people in your address book are already using Zangi. You'll typically see an indicator showing they're on the app, so you can start chatting or calling right away. If you don't see someone you expect, they might not be on Zangi yet, or your contact list just needs a moment to refresh. A quick revisit to the Contacts tab after a second or two often helps. Now, for friends who aren't on Zangi yet, inviting them is simple. In Contacts, tap Invite Friends, or tap Invite to Zangi next to any contact that doesn't show the Zangi label. Zangi will offer a few ways to send the invite, like SMS, email, or a shareable link, depending on your device and what information you have saved for that contact. Choose the method that works best for both of you. If you're sending an SMS, remember that standard carrier rates might apply. If you use email or a share link, your friend will receive a direct path to download Zangi and get set up quickly. You can personalize the invite message if your device allows it, which can make it more likely they'll recognize it and respond. If you already know someone's Zangi number, you can add them manually without waiting for an invite. A Zangi number is a unique identifier used inside Zangi. Open the Contacts tab, or switch to the keypad if that's easier. Type in their Zangi number carefully, double-checking the digits to avoid mistakes. After you enter it, you'll see options to start a call, open a chat, or add them as a new contact. Pick the action you want. If you choose to add them, they'll appear in your Zangi contacts like anyone else, and you can message or call them whenever you need. That's all there is to it. Use the Contacts tab to spot friends already on Zangi, send friendly invites to those who aren't, and add people instantly when you have their Zangi number. Keep your contacts updated, and you'll always know who's reachable on Zangi. Thanks for watching, and enjoy staying connected.